Kia Sorento 2016 to 2019 version. Install Cogoo CG8, Qualcomm 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, Android car player, QLED screen with Convex 360 Birdview parking camera, Sony chipset 720, reverse, back to parking, back to normal, auto front cam, reverse, touchscreen control, it's a multi-angle view for 360 bird view parking camera. Back to normal, auto front camera function. So Sorento 2017 version for this car model, 10.1 inch with a good fitting OEM casing. Cogoo CG8 QLED screen, multi-angle view, a canbus socket plug and play, steering control, back to home, Cogoo CG8, a full menu, a Play Store, log in Gmail to download app from Play Store, Waze, YouTube, Google Maps, Spotify, all can download from Play Store. DTS 5.1 equalizer with DSP. Setting, Wi-Fi connect. So turn on your phone hotspot, connect player Wi-Fi for internet, or insert a 4G SIM card. Got a 4G SIM slot, we put in a drawer, and a 2 USB slot. You can optional use for DVR or insert the pen drive for USB pen drive. A 4G antenna and a GPS antenna will hidden inside the pillar. It's got an external Bluetooth mic input on your right hand side pillar to get your voice is more clear. Bluetooth pairing, common, keys, steering wheel key learning, so to set your steering control. Software version, Android 12, CPU Qualcomm 2.2 GHz at Jalan 2506 GPU. Okay, driving video is prohibited. This is a video on off after release your handbrake. You can play video after release your handbrake, on off. Sound control, okay, reverse mute on off, display, a daytime and nighttime control, the brightness, okay, For this setting, connect this car model connect Sony 720 360 Birdview camera. So for the AR camera standard, you have to select for the 720p. If you connect aftermarket Full HD 1080p camera, you have to set for the 1080. A back card type is you have to choose built-in 360. You connect full touchscreen 360. Canbus setting, change model, race, Hyundai Kia. Driver position, right hand side. Okay, speed screen, you can choose it, press it. Okay, left right screen, one side for the GPS, another you can play for the YouTube, can play for the music file or video file. Press again to turn it off for the split screen. A square icon to clear apps, clear it one by one, or scroll it down, clear all. Okay, so this is Cogoo CG8 4+64 Qualcomm QLED screen, high spec model, connect 360 Birdview parking camera. Okay, the right hand side camera 360, you have to drill a hole to fix in. You have to calibrate for the 360 Birdview. A front camera. A left hand side 360 camera. And a rear camera. Sorento 2017, installed by OneBiz. Cogoo CG8, and a Convex 360 Birdview parking camera. Contact us. Our shop location in Seri, Kembangan, Balakong, Selangor, Malaysia. Thank you.